I'm gonna record this backward. I'm pumping out the front differential liquid, and as you can see, I got some out already, so I didn't think of making the video, so now I'm making them. But see how much this is in there, and the little pump right here goes to that line right there, and I'm gonna climb up here, and it's right here. You see that little hole where that tube coming in? That's where that is. And there is, I don't see any drain hole for this at all, and I want to change the fluid in there. I don't think it has ever been changed, and it's pretty black. It's really dark. So I went into the feed hole right there where the line is. That's where you fill it. But since I don't see any drain hole at all, this side, that side, nothing. And there's no way you'll be able to get that liquid out. But you can by using this pump right here. So I'm gonna get back out again. I'm gonna turn it because I have already pumped some out. I put it down in here as much as I could, like in here. See that? All the way in there as much as I could, and we pumped some out already. But I'm gonna show you live. Sorry, I have to sneak underneath the car here. Okay, I just turned that on. And you can see the liquid is coming out. See that? Pretty dirty. That's the only way I can think of to get all those liquid out. I don't really know how much is in there, but during the replacement, I'm just gonna fill it until it's full. So I guess that's it. I'm gonna do a reverse. What I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna do a reverse. I'll do another video how to fill that easier way. Anyway, I'm gonna pause the video, and then we're gonna, after this is done, once you hear the pump making an abnormal noise, you'll be able to get that, you know that it's done. And also too, you will see bunch of a bubble will come out like that too. Oh, I think there's a leakage in here. I can tell already. Oh, see that? Actually, now it's empty. You see? The noise has changed. That's when you know it's empty. And now look, it's spitting. Anyway, I'm gonna pause the video, and then I'm gonna record the filling. Okay, so discontinue the video here. I'm going to put it in this jar, and I took it off the pump right here, and I'm just going to use this jar and squeeze that into this end. I want to put this end through the truck. I'm going to show you how to do that in a minute to refill that section there, because they don't have the refill hole. So this is what contraption I come up with, is to go through one of these squeeze tube right here, to go through here, and then I use a reverse, and it's just gonna go into the tube. So I'm gonna stuck the tube in there in a minute, but that's how I am gonna do it. So I use the clamp from here. I might clamp there or there, either way. But anyway, I'm gonna pause the video, and I'm gonna show you the next. Okay, before I crawl underneath there, I'm gonna show you the concept. I'm gonna go through the engine on top of here, actually over here, and I'm gonna squeeze the tube down there. I'm gonna find a way, but my thing is gonna come from up here and go down there, probably on the passenger side to go down there, and then I'm gonna feed it in. Okay, I went through the passenger and I squeeze it right through down there, And the trick is, give me that, to put it on top of here and then squeeze that in, okay? And I'm going to show you the inside in a minute. Crawl underneath here and see that the tube, it's right here. So basically I'm just going from up there to down here, and then it goes into the tube. And now can you close the
what?
You can close the thing now.
Oh, put the cap on?
Yeah, you can cap it and then start squeezing it. I'm gonna hold the camera so I can hold this tube. It's kind of dark in here, I can't really see. Yeah, you can start.
There it goes.
You see it flowing down?
Flowing down.
Alright. Okay, here it comes. Now it's gonna fill up right here. So now the fluid is in there. And that's it. It's going. That's it. That's how easy to do this thing, because there is no way to get this out. There's no drain holes and nothing. So that's the only thing I can think of. Okay, so that's how the contraption looked like. Is to come up from up here and then squeeze it down here. Unless somebody have other better ideas. You can't really see the... is there a flashlight back there?
Loosen it, throw some air in. Squished.
Huh?
The bottle is completely squished. They gotta loosen it, put some air in it.
No, let it out, like it'll go backward. Okay, see that hole right there? And you see the liquid there? That's what it looks like. Okay, so that's how you would do it. That's the only thing I can think of. Do that. That's your what is this again?
80W-90.
80-90 weight lube, I guess you call it. And this is the front differential. And that's how you would do it. Quick and easiest way I know how. Okay, that's about it on this video. So squeeze in. I'm not sure how much would that take. I got out probably a quart to at least almost 2 quarts. I'll write in the description how much it took. Okay.